Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Landing Email. And my name is MD Farhaz and I'm the founder of Landing Email. In this video, we are going to show you how you can add sending domains first and verify that domain. It's a very simple process. Once you log in, this is how the interface would look like. And here there is an pop-up where it is showing up that there is no active sending server available. Click here. Guys, let me clear you one thing. So many of the people were commenting that what is sending server and what is SMTP, what is email account. Guys, all the three things are only one. It is only named some name that as SMTP, some name of sending server, and many names. Okay, let me show you how you can add sending servers to Landing Email. Just click on sending and select sending domains first. Once you select over here, you can see there is an option called as new sending domain. Click on that. Once you click here, it will show you the domain name. So see, if you want to set up SMTP, you need two things. One is domain and the SMTP. For that, first you have to purchase any domain, no matter whether it's .com, .io, .in. Just purchase any cheap domain or even your primary main domain as well. In our scenario, we are going to take this domain called as nuraz.com, which is an e-commerce. So I'm going to just paste it over here and save this. So it gave me some records which I have to paste over there. It's quite simple, guys. What you have to do is just go to your whichever domain provider, whether it might be Hostinger, Namecheap, GoDaddy, anywhere. You have to do the same settings. Just go to the DNS editor. There might be some name changes, but it's always go to your DNS editor and just look how I'm going to do this. The type is text format. Okay, then we'll go over here and choose the type TXT and we'll copy this. Very simple. Then copy the value. Make sure there is no spaces left above or behind. Then just add record. See, it showed that DNS record created successfully. Then go over here, same, follow the same thing, test record TXT and value. See, there was space, so you have to just remove that space. Then come back, copy this, go back and paste it over here. If there is space, just remove that unwanted spaces and add the record. Here it should show that the DNS record have created successfully. Once it's created, just refresh and then get back to the Landing Email and click on verify now. See guys, it got verified in fraction of seconds, but it won't be same for you guys. It might take for you guys. See, it might take up to 2 days or up to 24 hours, 48 hours, it completely depends. So if it's not getting verified immediately for you guys, kindly have patience and don't get panicked. Just wait for few hours or max to max 2 days. Once it's done, just go to the sending domains and see whether it is verified. If it is verified and active, that means you have successfully integrated your sending domain and verified it. Hence, in the next video, I will show you how to connect your SMTP, how to create SMTP, how to connect SMTP, how to do the entire setup. Till that, take care. Bye.